So here's another demo of it actually running on my bench right here. This is my DC power supply supplying 12.1 volts, doesn't matter, 12 volts, same thing. And this is the output just to confirm that my oscilloscope is working. 3.1 volts coming from the remote wire with a, let's see what resistance value I use. 500 ohm resistors. So I gotta find something. I have 5% and 1% resistors, and I should have something in or around there. It doesn't really matter. It shouldn't be off by too much. And right here are my peak values, my maximum. The yellow line is the remote wire and the purple line is the mute wire. So let's see, if I press the mute right here, it jumps up and it's in what divisions? 2-volt divisions, and from down here all the way up, that's a full 12 volts right there, or around 12 volts, as you can see, 11.36. And I could just use a voltage divider, drop it down to 3.3. I guess maximum I'll do is a 3 volt, since voltage input high should be a lot lower for the transistors on the GPIO, and that should work. So yeah, around 3 volts, drop it down. Let's see, yeah, 12 volts down to 3 volts. That's a division of 4. So I'll probably use, like, let's say I don't know, 10K and around 40K. And with the yellow line, let me turn the mute off. Yellow line, as you can see, it's at idle 3.32. I might actually, let's try it right now. I want it to be a little lower, 3.32. I don't want to be too high, so let's see, 400. Let's try, I don't know, 700. What do we get? 3.28. I think that's fine. 700 ohms. I think that's fine. Maybe 800. Let's see what we get. 800. 3.24. Actually, I'll drop it down a little more just to be safe. Let's see. What is that? 900. Let me just do okay. 1K. What is it? 3.2. I think I'm okay with the 3.2. That should be fine. And let's see. Let's press the mode. Press the mode. It drops there all the way down to 2.55. Let's press the channel. Drops down to 1.76. Press the volume up. Around 1 volt. Volume down. 0.3 volts. And I can work with that a lot better. And I just need to find the values it corresponds to by, I don't know, doing the math. Let's see, it's sitting around 3.16. I just use 3.2. I think it's like divide by, what is it, 2 to the power of 12. So it'll be a 12-bit system. 2 to the power of 12 gives me 4096. So max value is 4095, because 0 all the way up to 4095, which is 400 or 4096 values, and that should allow me to figure out what values I need for the ESP.